then it looks, my dog is just having a ball.
Yeah.
How old is your dog?
4.
4. Oh, there's a good nip for him.
Well, that's what we said, but Rusty's tail went right between his legs, which is fine.
But he keeps trying.
Both those dogs can work that big dog.
Yeah.
He
He doesn't bite back or anything. They're having fun, right?
He just needs a little protection. This is her first. Well, second time.
This one's pretty. Round tail. What is it? What's it do?
Look at the picture.
They're going to go check it out. Let's see if Sassy goes over there. Yeah, we don't want her picking up those habits. Hi, YY.